what pet a wizard might keep? I'm going to give you a clue. Got really big eyes to help them see at night, and lots of feathers all over their wings. Yeah, that's right, an owl. We're going to be little owls now. Can you put your feet in first position? So let's close it up and open them to that V position. Wonderful. We're going to start with our owl wings in bra bar. Hide those thumbs away. We're going to lift our wings out, up, and up to the V and down. Let's try that again. Out to the side, and up to the V and down. Then we're going to bring them up to our first position, open them to our second position, and float those wings down. All right, little owls, let's try that with the music. Standing tall, here we go. Opening those wings out to the side, out, up to the V and down, open, out, up, down, lifting them up to first position, hiding those thumbs away, opening to second, float them down. Here we go again. Open out to the side, up to a V and down, open, out, up to a V and down, open up to first and out to second, and float them gently back down. Beautiful, little owls, so good.